CLS Investments offers professional money management for plan participants who have just begun employment or those who have been deferring monies to their retirement plan for years. CLS provides a solution that protects people from emotional investing. We take on the responsibility of managing money for you, and we assist you in helping your account grow. Here to share information with you regarding a unique program available to you in your qualified retirement plan is Senior VP of Sales, Brian Regal.
You have options when it comes to managing your retirement account. You can do it yourself, or you can elect to have a professional money manager do it for you. We understand that staying on top of your retirement account can be a difficult task. In fact, studies have shown the average investor typically achieves lower returns than what stocks have historically provided. This chart provided by Dalbar Inc. shows that the S&P 500 index greatly outperformed the average equity investor over the time period shown. There are three primary reasons that people have difficulty managing their retirement accounts on their own. The first is that people are busy. Managing money is something a lot of people want to do, but often their lives are busy, they don't have the appropriate amount of time to dedicate to it, and managing their retirement accounts becomes an afterthought. The second reason is that many people don't have financial expertise. It isn't because they aren't smart, but simply because they have different interests. They aren't familiar with or interested in following the markets, watching financial programs, researching, and making sure their allocations are in good order. Lastly, people are emotional, and the bigger their nest eggs become, the more emotional they get about their money. People act and react emotionally and often go through drastic ranges of emotions with their investments. When they first start investing, they may feel very optimistic about their plans. And as the market goes up, they become even more optimistic, even euphoric. But when the market starts to turn down, they begin to have anxiety and fear. Sometimes they even panic and pull their money out and put it into something they view as being less risky. Then when the markets turn around, they wait until they feel confident to get back into the market, which may be after it has returned back to its original level. What happens then is that these investors end up buying high and selling low, which is the opposite of what participants should do in the long term.
CLS has been building individualized, balanced global portfolios since 1989, and we've been a valued partner to many top qualified retirement plan companies since 2002. We provide professional money management services for retirement plans across the country. We manage several $billion in assets that represent thousands of retirement plans and over 35,000 individual investors.
So how do we add value to your account? First, we match your initial portfolio to the individual risk budget score you determine upon enrollment via our brief questionnaire. This number represents the amount of risk you are comfortable taking on in exchange for potential returns, and it's the risk level at which we will manage your account. Then we analyze the risk of each asset you hold to ensure the combined risk level of your account is suitable for your individual needs. We are careful not to underexpose you to risk, as this may not give your account adequate opportunity to grow. Yet, we do not overexpose you, as this could leave you unable to meet your financial obligations. You can think of your risk budget as a thermostat. Everyone has a temperature they're comfortable with. Some like it cool, others like it a little warmer. No matter what the weather is like outside, the thermostat adjusts to keep the temperature inside at a preset level. This is the same concept we use in our risk budgeting methodology and with managing your money. Regardless of what's going on in the markets, we are disciplined in making sure that your portfolio risk matches your individual risk tolerance. Your plan is elected to offer several options for professional management of your retirement account through CLS. First, you can select from a list of funds to build your own portfolio allocation. CLS monitors these funds and makes decisions to add, remove, and replace the funds you can utilize when they don't meet our stringent criteria. Secondly, you can place your assets into a risk-based model that consists of ETFs. This essentially provides you with an easy button for management of your assets based on the amount of risk you're willing to take on. CLS has been using ETFs since the late 1990s and is one of the largest active money managers of ETFs. We favor this versatile investment option due to the multitude of potential benefits they offer. First, they have great trading flexibility. We can trade an ETF at any time during the day, just like we can do with stocks. Secondly, like mutual funds, they're highly diversified. Each ETF represents a different index containing hundreds or even thousands of securities. ETFs also have lower expense ratios than mutual funds, and they report their holdings on a daily basis, meaning they're very transparent. We can see exactly what we own at any given time and be more specific in what we do own. There is a fee associated with using us to manage your retirement account. Considering that our professional money management brings to an individual retirement account investor the financial expertise and investment methodology that is received by high net worth investors, we believe this fee is a very affordable solution. For example, if your fee is about 1% per year, this calculates to $10 per $1,000 per year. This fee is charged quarterly in arrears or after your money is managed for the quarter. So if you have $10,000 in your account, your fee would be $25 per quarter or $100 per year. There is never a time requirement, investment minimum, or transaction fee or exit penalty. The exact fee can vary from one plan to the next, so you should check with your advisor or HR director to determine your applicable fee amount. In conclusion, I encourage you to ask yourself these questions. Are you the kind of person who will devote the time it takes to manage these very important assets that you have accumulated or will accumulate over your lifetime? Do you have expertise to make the appropriate choices within your account? Do you have the emotional stamina to make tough decisions when the media and the market have a fearful moment? If your answers to these questions are doubtful, our managed models might be a good fit for you. Your account will always be managed in line with your individual risk budget and will contain a mix of investments that offers broad diversification to a variety of asset classes. Our services are open to investors at any investment level or stage in retirement. We will seek to meet your investment objectives, whether they are conservative, aggressive, or somewhere in between. We hope that you will choose us as your professional money manager, and we look forward to working with you.
To learn more about CLS investments and professional money management, consult with your Human Resources Director or the advisor on your retirement plan. You can also visit our website at clsinvest.com or call us directly at 888-455-4244.